Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the mini Clubman that we've been working on. Firstly, I'd like to show you from the exterior the Thinkware F800 Pro dash camera. And what I'll do, so this is a 2016 model Clubman. And what we've added into the factory screen is the integrated reversing camera. So this is the wedge camera that we've used. It's a Pro Fit camera that we use, and it's all hidden away in the bumper. So what I'm going to show you in terms of the interior of the car is how the system looks. So what we've got here is the factory screen, and the car comes as standard with rear parking sensors. So these are the factory rear parking sensors on the car. And then nicely tucked away there is the F800 Pro dash camera. So cables nicely hidden away, really discreet. That dash camera will basically give you access through your phone, through a Wi-Fi, and you can view all the footage straight from there. Also records while the vehicle is parked, and as you can see, I've got the camera now in view of where the driver is, and you can't see the dash cam at all, which is really nice. So this is the factory screen, so it's got the 6.5 inch screen in here. What I'm going to do is we're just going to start up the vehicle. So if you're looking for any integrated reversing camera solution for your car, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and speak to one of our team, and we'll be happily able to guide you in terms of what the best options are for your car. So what I'm going to do is an automatic, and I'm going to select reverse, and instantly you're going to get a really clear image. You are getting a bit of lines going across in the video. That's partly this camera, and then also it's the lighting in our workshops. Obviously this is completely crystal clear when you're outside and not in our lighting in our workshop. So the system basically, as you can see here, you've got little squares. This is basically showing you the parking sensors, and I'm just going to move back slightly. And as you can see, they're going to go to a red. So it's exactly the same as the manufacturer ones, reversing camera systems that you get. Back into reverse. Really clear image, and also what you've got is moving guidelines. So you've got the moving guidelines, you retain the visual image as well as audible tone for your parking sensors. So for a system like this that doesn't take up any room whatsoever, nothing extra on the dashboard, integrated completely into your system, contact number again for you is 01223 56 30 30, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.